Good morning, Wales. It is Thursday, May the 15th. Let's go over and recap Tesla for today's trading session. And just to give you an idea in terms of how I'm doing so far for the month of May, doing quite well, up 9.1K USD, on pace for about a 300K a year. You can see majority of my trades have been across high volume names like HIMS, Palantir, Tesla. And from the calendar view, I'm really proud of myself, starting off the month extremely strong, and hopefully I can keep up that momentum throughout the rest of the weeks. I've been extremely disciplined, taking only 1 or 2 trades a day with A+ setups. So yeah, very happy with the results. And again, if you guys want my actual day trades as well as swing trades, come join Discord. I give my exact entries every single day here. So for instance, for HIMS, you get the exact entries with the target stop losses, so you can profit every single day. You don't have to worry about any types of setups. I give it to you. All right, so I look forward to seeing you guys there. The link is in the bio, and yeah, let's make a lot of money together. All right, so with that said, with Tesla, I just want to sort of zoom out a bit first on the 4-hour time frame. In terms of what I'm seeing, we're still in an uptrend from these lows. So we're going to still keep calling Tesla higher. Now, we are at the 3s, 4s, and 5s of a specific wave count, guys. And typically, these areas, they're very choppy, and they're going to start to make you wonder whether or not this was a top, if I should start taking profits, what should I do, essentially? You start to question yourself a lot here. And in my opinion, that's indicative of these 3s, 4s, and 5s. It's going to be extremely choppy. And you just got to make sure that you look at the levels, right? So if I take the swing highs down to the swing lows from the fib retracements, you can see my target has been hit at 320. That was the initial target. Now, as you know from my previous videos, if we can get to 380, that's the main target that I really want. From here, we let the algos decide whether or not we do something like this. All right, deeper retrace and then higher. That's the primary path. Or we have an extension on the third. We consolidate at this level, push higher, dip, and then higher, like this. Okay, so either or, as you guys can see from both paths, a dip, a major dip, or any type of dip on this uptrend is considered bullish, is considered healthy. So you should be continuously buying on this uptrend. Okay, now if I go down to the 30-minute time frame for Tesla, you can see we're still on a larger time scale, a 1, 2, and working on a larger macro 3. And from here, you can start to see whether or not we're working on 3s, 4s, and 5s. So it's going to be extremely complicated wave counts here, guys. We're also getting some bearish divergence forming, where it's going to be a lot more trickier to understand what's going to happen. So if we do get a retrace, this essentially might be a wave 4, and then we could go higher one more time. So you take the pivot lows and take the retracements, you're looking at a wave 4 potential at like maybe 320, okay? And if this is actually the top, let's say this is a 3-4, and then we put in a top for a 5, then we're going to be working on that larger wave 4 count down, which would put us to 300 for Tesla. So if there's a larger dip, you're looking at 320 to 300 as a main target. We can still obviously push higher from here and make another set of divergences before another set of low. But ultimately, guys, right, don't get too caught up in the intraday, in the weeds here. You want to zoom out and make sure you're looking at that 380 target. You want to make sure you look at sort of the larger time scales in terms of 320s and 300s as sort of that dip buy. So don't get lost within the weeds. And again, if you guys want my actual trades for Tesla, I update Tesla every single day, guys. Come join Discord, and I look forward to seeing you guys here. The link is in the bio. See ya.